You might know how to introduce yourself in French, but do you know how to introduce other people? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So when introducing yourself, you talk about things such as your name, where you come from, where you live, what you do. The same things that you would talk about yourself, you would say them about someone else. To tell somebody else's name, it depends on whether it's a female or a male. Is it one person or more than one person? And if it's a group, is it a group of all females or females and males or just males? Il s'appelle, for example, il s'appelle John. Or you can say son nom est John. Son nom est, then the name of the person. To introduce a female person, you'll say elle s'appelle, then you give their name. So for example, you'll say elle s'appelle Marie. She is called Marie. Take note of how this L is written. To introduce a group of all males or a group of females plus male, you'll say il s'appelle, then you give the name of the group or the name of each individual. So you can say il s'appelle John et Mary, or you can say il s'appelle le groupe. Now to introduce a group of all females, then you'll say elle s'appelle, and then you give the name or the names of each individual. So you can say, for example, elle s'appelle Marie et Jen. They are called Mary and Jen. You add an S, that makes it the plural, but the pronunciation is still exactly the same. Now to ask about the name of someone else, then you can say il s'appelle comment, il s'appelle comment, or you can ask qui est, qui est. Qui est is who is he or who is she. Qui est, il s'appelle, then they give you the name. To ask about a female person's name, elle s'appelle comment, elle s'appelle comment, that is if that's one person. To ask about more than one person, a mixture of male and female, you'll ask il s'appelle comment, il s'appelle comment, and if it's a group of all females, then you'll ask elle s'appelle comment, elle s'appelle comment. To talk about where someone comes from, you can ask il vient d'où, il vient d'où, where does he come from? Then they can respond with il vient de Paris, il vient du Kenya. To ask about a female, you can ask elle vient d'où, where does she come from or where is she coming from? Then you can respond with elle vient du lycée, she's come back from school. Elle vient du marché, she has come back from the market or she's coming back from the market. When talking about the plural, you can ask ils viennent d'où, ils viennent d'où, where do they come from? That's a group of all male or male plus female. Then you'll respond with ils viennent de, where they come from. Ils viennent de Paris, for example. Ils viennent de la France. To ask about a group of all female, then you'll ask elles viennent d'où, elles viennent d'où, where do they come from? Then the response would be elles viennent du Kenya, elles viennent de la Chine. To talk about where someone comes from, you can ask il habite où, il habite où, where does he stay? You can respond with il habite à Paris, il habite à Nairobi, for example. When you're asking about a female person, then you'll ask elle habite où, elle habite où. You can respond with elle habite à Nairobi, elle habite à Paris. To ask about more than one person, if it's a group of all male or male plus females, then you can say ils habitent où, ils habitent où, where do they stay? Ils habitent à Paris, ils habitent à Nairobi. To ask about a group of all females, elles habitent où, elles habitent où, then you can respond with elles habitent à Paris. So throughout this video, I've been using things like il, elle, nous, and such. To know more about subject pronouns and different pronouns, you can check out this video. Thanks for watching.